Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare Pages to a custom domain, complete guide step by step clear. To connect Cloudflare Pages to a custom domain, begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Select the project you want to connect to a custom domain. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Custom Domains section. Enter your custom domain name in the provided field. Press the Add Domain button to proceed. Cloudflare will check the availability of your domain. Once confirmed, you'll see instructions for configuring your DNS settings. Open a new tab and log in to your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS management section for your domain. Add a new DNS record for your custom domain. For the record type, select Name. In the Name field, enter the subdomain you want to connect, such as www. In the Value field, input the Cloudflare Pages domain provided in the Cloudflare settings. Set the TTL to auto or select a low value like 300 seconds. Save the changes to your DNS settings. Return to your Cloudflare Pages settings page. Click the Verify button next to your custom domain entry. Cloudflare will check the DNS settings you configured. Once verification is complete, your domain will be linked to Cloudflare Pages. To ensure everything is working correctly, access your custom domain in a web browser. If you see your project, the connection is successful. For added security, consider enabling SSL for your custom domain. Navigate back to the settings, find the SSL/TLS section, and select the desired SSL option. Remember to regularly check your domain's DNS settings for any updates. Congratulations, your custom domain is now connected to Cloudflare Pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.